How's it going, guys? Are you having a good week? Hush, 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 hush. I'm having a good week. If you want to have a good week like Laiss does, you gotta know how to make some of his videos. Also, this is how I edit my videos. I put the same hat on backwards. Okay, so number one, get this thing off me. Number two, I use Adobe Premiere to edit and OBS to record, as you can see. Number three, this is not a tutorial for either of them. I'm not even gonna say anything about OBS. I'm not gonna say that I'm recording at 35,000 bitrate and display capture along with it. I'm not gonna say any of those. Okay, let's start. So step one, identifying where's the intro, the thing, and then the outro. So the intro stops when I put on the headphones because then I get to play the game. And then the outro starts once I say, we're done. That's where the outro starts. So I make these three parts for the only reason so I can make the webcam during the gameplay not take the full screen. So I downscale it, put it in the corner, cut the bits that I don't need. Pretty easy. So now that we have the full thing, we go ahead and edit the intro. You're gonna need headphones for this one. Okay, I ate a lot of candy. Ate a lot of candy. Woo! I have the energy of a goddamn YouTuber. So as you can see, that was the recording. So what do we do? As you can see, it was pretty clear that there are like multiple takes. I usually do like 3 takes. Then of course we use the best one. So as this isn't an Adobe Premiere tutorial, I'm not gonna tell you how to cut the thing. There are way better tutorials than I can ever do. I learned from them. You learn from them as well. Okay, I ate a lot of candy. Okay, so as you can see, I said okay only in the first take. Then I did 3 of those, so I have to keep the okay. Okay. And then, I think if you probably noticed this in my videos, it doesn't start directly. Look at this. By doing this, it starts directly. But, boom, boom. Okay, I ate a lot of candy. A little bit nicer. Just a tiny little bit nicer. Ate a lot of candy. Woo! Yeah, I want the 3rd take. Usually the last take is the best one. Bada beam, bada boom. That done. Bring the thing there. Let's see how it looks now. Okay. Ate a lot of candy. Woo! Okay. We need to add a little bit of volume. And also, change the scale just a tiny little bit so it's not boring to watch. Should I have another take of that? Okay. I ate a lot of candy. Woo! I have the energy of a goddamn YouTuber right now. Alright, so I'm playing this again. That was the take? Okay. I ate a lot of candy. Woo! So we skip that. I have the energy of a goddamn YouTuber right now. You do. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm playing this again because, primarily... okay. My friend Westin asked me to play this again. And I'm making a video that's... Okay, so I was happy with that one. Okay, so since there is a pause, usually when that pause is like a little bit small, I use that to separate these two things. Primarily. You'll see what I mean by that. Because, primarily... Look, that, it zooms in and out, that's kind of less boring, you know, to watch. YouTuber. Alright, so I'm playing this again because, primarily, my friend Westin asked me to play this again. Okay. Thank you, Westin. Shout out to Westin, everyone. So here's the thing. When I say something that I know I can illustrate, like I say my friend Westin told me about this, I show a picture of that comment. So what I do right now is that I go get that comment. While we wait for YouTube to load, can you guys please like, comment, and subscribe? Look, it's just like the main concept of editing, at least to me. I just go in, cut whatever useless, and give you guys whatever the hell that came from that. I think I'm just happy with that. I'm making a Laiss video where I'm gonna edit this very video. So if you haven't watched that yet, please go watch. As I hit the mic, this is supposed to be where I started playing the game. And yeah, let's play this again. I do remember that I really like this game. Okay, so as you can see, there's 2 segments. Is where I say, let's play this again, and where I start talking about the game. So I want those to be different visually. Yeah. So, okay, so we're gonna make the 2nd segment just a normal webcam. It's gonna be... let's play this again. I do remember that I really like this game. Yeah, so I just alternate between the game and my face. Pretty much it. There is you don't see it that much in games when there is a narrator, especially when the narrator actually talks to you. That was really cool. So that was pretty much the intro and a little bit from the thing. So your bread and butter is cutting when you're not talking, because if you're not talking, nothing is happening pretty damn much, especially in a game like this. Maybe in an action game, you would like to show the action. Maybe like I did in Cyberpunk, where there's a lot of dialogue, you like to show the dialogue. But for the most part, especially in non-gaming videos, when you're not talking, nothing is happening. Super easy. The audio thing here tells you, look, I'm not talking. Easy. I can just easily cut this and not have to worry about it at all. As I said, editing mostly for YouTube videos isn't about creating stuff or like boom, or like adding effects or bam. It's not like editing pictures. You get the useless out of the useful, and you make that into a thing that's watchable. So that was, so look at the proportions what we edited. Look how much I have to edit more. That's why it kind of takes a long time, you know? But it does make a video in the end, which is cool. So let's not do that now. I want to do that later. So let's say we just finished editing. Okay, so this is the final. Let's just imagine there's like a bajillion cuts in there. So this is the outro. What do I do in the outro? This is enough for today, you know? Okay, so pro tip number 3 or 4 or whatever. Use your ears more than the audio chart. So here's the thing. If I stop it at the audio chart, I'm still talking. There is still a thing. But when I stop it with my ears, now, what a goddamn game, dude. Look how much it got past the audio chart. So you should use your ears more than the thing, more than the audio chart. But it's still really useful. The audio chart isn't like perfect, but it's still really useful. This game cannot cease to impress me. Shut up. Okay, we're gonna go to the other room. God damn it. Okay, so every edit is different. So usually I don't have to fucking edit the webcam again. Because the stupid guy talks, so I want to show the gameplay again. Okay, pro tip number 4 or 5. That you have specific numbers that you will always use. So what I do, that I always make my webcam with the scale of 40. And then I do this 217. There isn't any, I don't lose any pixel from it. And then, so that was the Y scale. Now the X scale, I just use it and make it so that it's different every time. It's different depending on how much I fucked up the framing while I'm recording this. So I make it until about the chair. Makes it look like there's only chair, but there's only a little bit, so you're not missing out on the chair. This chair is important. And then we get the crop filter thing. Get that there. Boom. We write until it looks somewhat usable. So you have specific numbers so that your viewers, you're watching your videos, they're gonna skip to another video. They don't feel like the webcam changed. That doesn't grab their attention or like kind of waste their attention. So the final video is gonna come out with this one, so make sure you watch it as well. What a goddamn game. Absolutely love it. I really enjoyed this game. I recorded like 7 videos that I wasn't happy with and I just scrapped them. Because I don't always say after recording that I really enjoy the game. I would only say that if I actually enjoy the game. That's why there is so many videos that I actually scrapped. I played a horror game once. Didn't scare me at all for like 50 minutes. Like nothing happened. I was just walking and hearing scary noise. That was so stupid. I tried recording twice, Try Not to Laugh. I felt like crap, dude. I was so unhappy with how those turned out. Like the reaction content with theme. You're welcome. You guys enjoy it? I like how I was like passive aggressive. It's like, you made me do this. Enjoy your stupid video. Wait, this is all an outro? Holy crap, this is way longer than usual. Oh, because the stupid guy keeps talking. My name is Laiss. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. What was that? What the fuck? You're welcome. Okay, so since for comedic effect, I'm gonna use 130 so it looks funny. With theme. You're welcome. So yeah, that was pretty much the intro, some of the thing, and the outro. I kind of showed you the whole... Oh, I didn't show you the whole outro. Here's where I get the song. Make it seem nice. Goodbye. They say you wanna move too much. I've got to prove. Stay. So that's pretty much how I edit my videos. The only thing left is the thumbnail. So I was actually taught how to make by Felix. He has a video like around 2017. You know, when he had a beard and the accident. He has a video on how to make thumbnails, which was really good. He was actually very informative. Where he used Jacksepticeye's picture and he made a thumbnail out of it. So that's pretty much it. I really hope it helped, maybe just a little bit. I don't know. Please like and subscribe. Check out the video when it comes out. So my name is Laiss. Take care of yourself. Goodbye. They say you wanna move too much. I've got to prove. Stay. You don't leave me here this way. 'Cause I won't last a day without you. Take care of yourself. My name is Laiss. Take care of yourself. What a fucking idiot.